Hello. So day 23, I finished it and I did for my evening and morning meditation. I did the chakra balance meditation because I feel I need to concentrate more on the chakra balance. I'm feeling way better than I was feeling 2 days ago and yesterday. And for my flu, I feel so much better. As you can hear me, my voice began to come back again. My nose not as clogged as it was yesterday. And how I feel about like physically, I feel way better. So in the third day of the flu and I feel that way, that's amazing. And how I feel about my mental and my emotional state, I feel wonderful and I feel stable, calm and peaceful and happy. I didn't do that love meditation today. I just want to concentrate on the chakra balance. After what happened 2 days ago, as you know, but I feel so much love in my heart still. I feel so happy feeling every moment and enjoying my life even when I am just so tired and spending my whole day at home doing nothing. It's the first day in Eid today, so enjoying my time even with the little things. So that's a great success and let's go to the next day. So excited.